Hi, I'm Vic, and today I'm going to show you the 68 caliber paintball gun. It shoots 68 caliber paintballs. This is a 68 caliber paintball. It flies at 300 feet per second. It's constructed of a hard gelatin shell that has fluorescent goo within. On impact, it releases this fluorescent goo. You don't want to be in the way when this thing's flying around, or it's all over. You've seen the gun. Now let's see it in action. Wow, impressive.
Wow, impressive.
Now, let's go take a look at the damage. Wow, impressive. This is the last place I'd want to be when those balls are going down range. The best part about the 68 caliber paintball is that it can switch the springs, increasing the velocity. Now let's see the firepower. Now you've seen the 68 caliber paintball gun in action. You don't want to mess with this gun, or this is the last thing you'll ever see.